Hi tech lovers, welcome back to TechIntro. If you're tired of working on a single laptop screen and constantly switching between tabs, this video is going to change your setup completely. Today, we're talking about the best portable monitors you can buy right now. Portable monitors have evolved a lot. We now have 144 Hz panels, 4K OLED displays, touchscreen models, and even 300 Hz gaming options. But not all of them are worth your money. For this list, I carefully analyzed in-depth expert reviews, hands-on testing results, and real-world performance comparisons, focusing on panel quality, usability, and overall value. After cutting through the marketing hype, these are the best portable monitors you can confidently buy right now, ranked from best value to the ultimate all-rounder. Let's get started. At number 5, we have the Zopa Z1FC, and this is the value king. On screen, you can see its 16.1-inch Full HD panel with a 144 Hz refresh rate. That higher refresh rate isn't just marketing. It genuinely makes scrolling smoother and casual gaming feel more responsive. It also covers 100% sRGB, which is impressive for its price range, and weighs only about 1.7 pounds, making it easy to throw into a backpack. Looking at the ports, you get dual USB-C, mini HDMI, and physical brightness controls. So compatibility with laptops, consoles, and even cameras is simple. Now, realistically, HDR is weak, colors aren't professional grade, and viewing angles drop slightly from the sides. But for students, budget gamers, or anyone wanting a second screen without overspending, this delivers excellent bang for your buck. Coming in at number 4, the Asus ROG Strix XG 17A HPE. This is clearly designed for gamers. The 240 Hz refresh rate and 3 millisecond response time you see on screen translate to ultra-smooth motion, especially in competitive shooters. One major highlight is the 7,800 mAh built-in battery. That means you can game without draining your laptop, which is a huge advantage when traveling. Adaptive sync support helps eliminate screen tearing, and the 17.3-inch size makes it feel closer to a real desktop gaming monitor. The trade-offs? It's expensive for a 1080p display. It's larger and less travel-friendly than productivity models. And if you're not gaming, you're not using its full potential. But for portable competitive gaming, it's one of the strongest options available. At number 3, the ViewSonic TD16562K. This monitor stands out because of its 16-inch, 2560 by 1600 resolution and 16:10 aspect ratio, which gives you noticeably more vertical workspace compared to standard 1080p panels. If you look at the slide, you'll see features like 10-point touch support, USB-C power delivery, and automatic rotation, making it ideal for vertical coding setups or document editing. That added workspace genuinely improves multitasking. Downsides? It's heavier than 14-inch alternatives. There's no built-in battery, and brightness is decent, but not designed for outdoor sunlight. Still, if productivity is your priority, this is a very smart choice. At number 2, we move into premium territory with the ViewSonic VX16554K OLED. As shown on screen, this is a 15.6-inch 4K OLED panel with full DCI-P3 color coverage. That means deeper blacks, richer contrast, and more vibrant colors compared to traditional IPS displays. For photographers, video editors, and creatives, OLED isn't just nicer, it's noticeably better. The integrated stand design keeps it sleek and travel-friendly. But let's be honest, this is a premium device. It's priced higher, it consumes more power, and OLED panels always carry some long-term burn-in risk with static content. If visuals are your top priority though, this monitor absolutely delivers. And finally, number 1, the Lenovo ThinkVision M14T Gen 2. This monitor earns the top spot because it balances everything extremely well. You're looking at a 14-inch 2240 by 1400 resolution panel with 100% sRGB coverage, touchscreen support, and pen compatibility. That combination makes it ideal for professionals, designers, and business users. The slide also shows its dual USB-C ports and ergonomic stand with tilt and auto rotation, which makes daily use flexible and practical. Yes, it's limited to 60 Hz. There's no HDMI, and speakers are basic. But when you combine portability, resolution, touch functionality, and overall build quality, this is the most well-rounded portable monitor for most people. That's why it takes the #1 spot. If you're looking for something more specialized, here are 2 bonus options. The Espresso display. 15 Touch focuses on ultra-thin premium design and excellent macOS integration. It's incredibly slim, beautifully built, and offers one of the best touch experiences in this category. It's priced higher, and accessories are often sold separately, but the overall experience feels refined. And if raw speed is what you want, the Nexigo NG17FGQ-S delivers up to 300 Hz on a 17.3-inch panel with G-Sync compatibility. It's clearly built for competitive esports players chasing maximum smoothness. It's larger and more power-hungry, but for speed-focused gamers, it's impressive. As you can see from the comparison table, each monitor on this list is built for a different type of user, so the right choice really depends on what you need most. If you want the safest all-rounder, go with the Lenovo ThinkVision M14T Gen 2. If visuals and color accuracy matter most, the ViewSonic 4K OLED is the clear winner. For productivity and extra workspace, the TD1656-2K stands out. For competitive gaming, Asus ROG delivers high speed, and if you want the best value for your money, our Zopa is hard to beat. And remember, every monitor featured in this video was selected after thorough research, real-world performance comparisons, and expert evaluations, not just marketing specs. All product links are mentioned in the description below, so you can check the latest pricing and availability. If this breakdown helped you make a decision, make sure to hit like and subscribe to TechIntro for more in-depth guides and tech comparisons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.